Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to make your own module. First, name your file, do anything you want. That name will be your name of your module. Now, first define one thing. Let's define add bracket A, B. I will add these things. Then A plus B. This is print A plus B. Now let's do subtract. Define sub bracket A comma B, then print bracket A minus B. You can make your own things like anything. Now run this. If anything goes wrong, it is all correct. Let me remove this and open your Aditya Python. You can also make it a file. Let's do it in the Python. Now import import add. Enter. Oh, because this isn't in my Python projects folder, that's why I'm doing it. Now let's make a new folder. Import add. Then just what to do? Your name here, your module name here, dot add. If I want to do the addition here, I did the add here, def add dot add bracket 100 plus 250. Let's do 250. You're gonna need a comma here. Let's do it. Let me do it in the right folder. Now it will show what you add here. Now let's do it with the subtract. Sub it will be negative 150 because it can't do that like that. You can make that here. Like that. Now it will show 150. You can make some other things. Yeah, here I made a cube here. Now save this. Then need this. Yeah, let's do add dot cube bracket what number? Let's do 10, which is 1000. It is 1000, 150 the first one, and 1000. You can make your own thing. Let me make a square here, which is the same thing. Let's copy this. Yeah, like that. Cube. SQUARE square. Now save this. Now add dot SQUARE square bracket. Let's do the square of let's do 20. Yeah, 20 is 400 square. You can do any math stuff with this. You can even make a calculator. Yeah, I made some new commands. Now let's all run this. Oh, it's because I didn't save this. Yeah, I saved it now. Now it all works. See? It's so simple. You can do some other stuff with this, not just only math. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.